wonder, what's Pythagorean's theory? Hey guys, it's me Matthew, and I'm here to tell you about the Pythagorean theory. What you need to know is, and what you'll learn in this video, is what is Pythagorean theory, when do you use it, how it applies to square roots, and if you don't know what those are, check a later video, and how to apply it to the modern day world. Just right now, I'm going to say hi to our camera guy, Bandit McBride. So, let's get ready. Let's get straight to it. Pythagorean's theory, you probably all heard the a squared plus b squared equals c squared, right? Well, that's practically all it is. That's practically all it is. But there's a little more than you think to that equation. You see, a triangle has three sides, which we label A, B, and C. Well, according to this, a squared, or let's say it's 10 squared, plus b squared, which is 5 squared. Sure, if you do 10 squared and 5 squared, it should equal the c. Which, if we do the math, which is 10 times 10 equals 100, and 5 times 5 is 25. You guessed it. That was a bad 5. It should equal 125. And that up here should be 15. Okay, you know about a squared plus b squared equals c squared. But how do you find out, if you already know what these two are, what one of the other ones are? There are actually names for these. These two sides are called the legs. This is called the hypotenuse. I'm not going to spell it out. Look it up. Anyways, what you do is you have to know what 10 times 10 is, which is 100. We did this last time. And 5 times 5, 25. Okay, 100, you actually minus it, which is 125 equals 75. And now we're going to teach you how to square root this. With a calculator, you see here, there's this little button. It's called the square root button. And what it does on my calculator, you hit the square root button, and then you type in the number you want. 75. Hit equal. And that says 8.66. And then a lot of other numbers. But I'm just going to work with that. So we would put 8.6. So this side right here would be 8.6. Now that's not a perfect square. So now you know what it is. But now you may wonder, how do you use it and how do you apply it to the modern day world? Well, that's actually very simple. If you are working in industries like construction, you may be building a roof or something. Let's say this side here is 10 meters, okay? And you know this is about, let's say, 25 meters. Remember, you have to square it. And let's say you want to figure out what half of it is. So pretty much, a rectangle can be divided up into two. Oh, guys, please note that the Pythagorean theory only works with a right triangle. Can't work with this kind. Okay. So I'm going to do it how most people will probably do it. Is they put 10 times 10, which we know is 100, And then 25 times 25, 625. Well, now, this may seem weird, but you do add these still. So 5, 2, and 7. Did you guys remember how to square root it? Okay, watch this. You put, on my calculator, which is a digits, you put square root 7, 2, 5. You hit equal. This says it's 26.9. Well, if we were going to round it, 9 would make it 27. But it's not. Okay? So don't do that. So this side here is 26.9 meters squared. And that's practically all. Come on. Okay, I have one last challenge for you. Figure out what 15 meters squared and 103 meters squared is and post it down below in the comments. Thank you and have a good day.